Good morning, everyone. This is Manoj M here once again from Market Ideas of Profit, back with our weekend analysis. Today is the 3rd of November, Sunday, and what you're seeing on your screen is what was our trajectories that we'd released on the last weekend and how did we perform. Well, if you see, we were somewhere in this area. This was somewhere where we started the week, and we stayed sideways within the yellow trajectory on the Nifty. And you see how beautifully we had marked this as the top of our yellow trajectory, the 24,537 level, and that's exactly where we hit the high. We retraced back into the yellow trajectory, and we've closed very much where we were in that particular week. Now, what we're also going to see again here is now what happened on the Bank Nifty. So let's take what transpired in the Bank Nifty. I just draw the Bank Nifty chart here for you guys. I'm so sorry. I'll have to bring it up. And November 2024. This is the weekend, and this is the Bank Nifty chart. So this is where the Bank Nifty stands. As on last week, we were somewhere around here when we started the week, and this is what we had predicted. The Bank Nifty did better than what we'd expected in comparison with the Nifty. We'd expected that if it goes up, it'll stay above into the blue trajectory, and that's what happened. It opened higher on Monday, stayed up the entire week, and we did get a little retracement towards the end of the week, but we are very much in the blue part of the trajectory for the entire week. So this was what transpired in the last week on these two charts, and this is what my projection is for the current week. So this is where we are for the Nifty in the current week. What is happening is that we have demarcated our zones. We are somewhere here on the Muhurat day. We opened higher, and then we retraced back a bit, but we stayed above this support level of 24,335. Now, this is the yellow trajectory that we are hoping that if the market stays within these two boundaries of 24,000, 24,000 actually, and 24,500, this would be our sideways trajectory. The moment it goes above 24,530 odd, we would get into our blue trajectory, and then we will hope to stay higher and then probably touch 25,400. But if we trade lower and if we go below 24,000, then the door opens to much lower levels, down to 23,500 odd, and even down to 23,170 in the coming week. That's what we have in store for the Bank Nifty as far as our chart reading goes, and the trajectories for the coming days. Let's switch to Bank Nifty and see what's Bank Nifty bringing us. So, what is the Bank Nifty bringing us? The Bank Nifty is, I'm going to just tweak so that you can see. This is what the Bank Nifty is going to get us. The Bank Nifty, we are somewhere here, and we expect the boundaries of the yellow trajectory to be between 52,540 and 51,600. These are the two trajectories that we expect the Bank Nifty to remain in. If we are in the yellow trajectory, the moment it goes above the 52,540 level, then we are looking at a higher level into the blue trajectory. And if we go lower than 51,600, then we enter the red trajectory, and then we can expect lower levels right down to 50,400 or 50,000 also, depending on how severe the downfall is. So this is what we expect from the current week's movements, the next coming week's movements in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Remember, these are not future. These are not any kind of astrological predictions. These are simple levels that we will encounter. So what we're doing is, on the chart, we are building the levels that are going to be significant supports and resistances. And the premise that we operate on is that markets will move from level to level, and they generally don't take a breather. They might take a breather in the middle, but their ultimate destination will cross these crossroads, the support and resistance levels that we draw upon, and they will move from one level to the other. So it can help us trade if we cross a particular level, and if we see that on the smaller time frames, the chart, the candlesticks signs give us that the market is proceeding in a particular direction or taking a particular trajectory, a particular trend, you can say, then we will head higher. And these are the stations that the market will face resistance at, if in terms of whatever the higher levels are. And if it breaks the resistance, it goes to the next resistance. And in terms of supports, the below levels below the current level price levels will act as supports. If we breach one support, Nifty, Bank Nifty will take support at the lower level. So this is what we do with our analysis, and we've been coming good for all these weeks, and we've been making money because we're able to predict the path that the market is taking, and then we can trade from level to level and make money. And that is the expectation from all of you who read these charts, who see these videos, to treat it that way. Treat the roadmap that we're giving you as something that you can trade from and to. So these are the levels that can come in handy once you encounter the price and you see it breaching one support or one resistance. You know then what is the next that you will be looking at in the charts. That's it for this week's analysis. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the analysis and making money from it. We've been spot on with a lot of our analyses that we've been giving in the past few weeks. If you have any questions or comments, do write them in the comment section below, so we know what value you're deriving from the video. And if you're looking at something else, we'll include that too in the coming videos that we keep on bringing from time to time. Do like the video if you see any value in it, and do comment if you think that you need more or you're helped by what we're dishing out here, and do subscribe to the channel to get updated on any new videos that are released from our end. That's it for this weekend. Look forward to seeing you again in the coming week. Thank you.